Every week, headlines scream the same thing. Robots are taking our jobs. And honestly, they're not wrong. Across factories, offices, and call centers, AI has already automated millions of tasks. McKinsey estimates up to 30% of work activities could be automated by 2030. Truckers, cashiers, radiologists, entire job categories face serious disruption. Repetitive work? Gone. Routine analysis? Outsourced to an algorithm. Meet Bao, our panda friend. He used to work data entry 9 hours a day. Then an AI did it 10 times faster, for free. But here's what those headlines always miss. Every automation wave in history created more jobs than it destroyed. The printing press didn't end writing, it built publishing. The internet didn't kill commerce, it created Amazon and millions of new roles with it. AI is doing the same. AI trainers, prompt engineers, ethics auditors, model evaluators, these roles barely existed 5 years ago. The AI industry is projected to create 97 million new roles by 2025. Someone has to build these systems, check the outputs, and set the guardrails. That someone could be you.